Hey everyone, welcome back to Mitchell Marcus. Today we're going to be going over a MES trade that I had done a couple days ago. I didn't do this then because I had a video being released yesterday that I wanted to give time for you guys to watch. I want to specifically go over this one even though I've been trading every single day this week, and that is because it has a key setup with one of my favorites being the gap fill. As you can see, there's a gap in the market that we needed to come back to. We were going to retrace to it. We see the high up here at 69.05. The RSI starts to trend lower. We break through key EMAs such as the 20 and 50. We almost filled the gap actually, but we did not. So I did not end up placing orders at that point. Almost missed out on the trade actually, but as I had thought, we continued to break back down and get exactly at the bottom of the gap where I was looking to get filled in, and I did get filled in right around 68, 69. And the whole key here was to wait for a breakthrough the EMA 50 and see what happens when we got to the VWAP as well as resistance. We were hitting resistance on these prior highs, so I was looking to see how strong resistance would be before closing out. As you can see, we had rejected VWAP here, and as soon as we broke back below VWAP, I had closed on my trade, and this was a nice solid 3-to-1 based off what I was risking versus my profit. So this just goes to show how powerful gap fills can be as long as you can find them in the market and know what to look for and make sure you're entering at a good position and good sizing. Because if you were to get filled here when it didn't even close the gap, you would have more than likely gotten stopped out for a loss on the day. So I was using the hourly chart for the gap fill, and I was using the 5-minute chart for my entries, as well as watching the RSI and the 5-minute chart, so I can really get a feel for the market direction. So just to go over again, as soon as we filled the gap, I was filled at 68.69. I was using the VWAP and prior highs as my resistance, of which ended up being my exit as well. For a nice trade on the day. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more trade insights like this. We have been using a couple different strategies throughout the week, so I'll be sure to get on those backtracked trades.